Yo, guys, I thought I was done. I thought I was done, but I mean the market wants to give me some more. The market wants to give me some more. The market wants to give me some more.
Wow.
I thought I was done. I thought I was done. I thought I was done. This is just truly the rock star, man. This is just truly the rock star. I thought I was done.
To end the week.
Guys, this is how I end the week, guys. This is how I end the week. Everybody, this is how I end the week. God bless you all. 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 This is yours truly, the Forex Rockstar, man. I thought I was done, guys. I really thought I was done trading for the day. But the market wants to give me some more. They want to give me some more. They want to give me some more. They want to give me some more. Okay, guys. Yo, I'm driving, everybody. So, thank you, family. God bless you. I love you so much. This is the high of the day. No big risk, just optimum risk, and then you are done for the day. You catch the low of the day, you are done. You catch the high of the day, you are done. It's that simple, man. It's that simple. It's that simple. Don't complicate this. It's not complicated, trust me. It's that simple. Don't complicate it. Don't complicate it. God bless you. I love you so much. Yours truly, the Forex Rockstar. Let me close this. I'd rather close this. 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 God bless you all. I love you so much. Yours truly signing out. God bless you all, family.